Hello kids, welcome to Knowledge Mastermind. Are you ready to celebrate the new year with a fun quiz? Let's test your knowledge with 20 exciting new year questions. Think carefully, choose the correct answer, and let's begin. Question number 1 is, when do we celebrate New Year every year? The options are A. 25th December, B. 31st December, C. 1st January, D. 15th August. The correct answer is C. 1st January. January 1st is celebrated as New Year in many countries around the world. Question number 2 is, what is the last day of the year called? The options are A. New Year Day, B. New Year's Eve, C. Christmas Eve, D. Holiday. The correct answer is B. New Year's Eve. December 31st is called New Year's Eve. Question number 3 is, which calendar is used for the New Year in most countries? The options are A. Hindu calendar, B. Islamic calendar, C. Gregorian calendar, D. Chinese calendar. The correct answer is C. Gregorian calendar. The Georgian calendar is followed internationally. Question number 4 is, what do people usually say on New Year? The options are A. Good night, B. Happy New Year, C. Thank you, D. Welcome. The correct answer is B. Happy New Year. People greet each other with wishes for happiness and success. Question number 5 is, what do fireworks mainly symbolize on New Year? The options are A. Fear, B. Noise, C. Celebration, D. Danger. The correct answer is C. Celebration. Fireworks are used to celebrate joy and new beginnings. Question number 6 is, what is a New Year resolution? The options are A. A gift, B. A promise to improve, C. A holiday, D. A party. The correct answer is B. A promise to improve. Resolutions are goals people set for the new year. Question number 7 is, which city is famous for the New Year ball drop? The options are A. London, B. Paris, C. New York, D. Sydney. The correct answer is C. New York. Times Square hosts famous ball drop event. Question number 8 is, which country celebrates New Year first? The options are A. India, B. USA, C. Australia, D. Japan. The correct answer is C. Australia. Australia is among the first due to its time zone. Question number 9 is, what do people often write at the start of a new year? The options are A. Homework, B. Letters, C. Goals, D. Exams. The correct answer is C. Goals. Many people plan goals for the year ahead. Question number 10 is, which famous clock rings at the midnight in London on New Year? The options are A. Liberty Bell, B. Clock Tower, C. Big Ben, D. Wall clock. The correct answer is C. Big Ben. Big Ben rings to welcome the new year in London. Question number 11 is, what is the meaning of word resolution? The options are A. Party, B. Promise, C. Gift, D. Vacation. The correct answer is B. Promise. A resolution is a promise to improve or do better. Question number 12 is, which food is commonly eaten during New Year celebrations? The options are A. Cake, B. Fruits, C. Sweets, D. All of these. The correct answer is D. All of these. Different cultures enjoy special foods. Some people enjoy cake, the people who want to be healthy enjoy fruits, and other people like to have sweets. Question number 13 is, what do people hope for in the new year? The options are A. Happiness, B. Success, C. Good health, D. All of these. The correct answer is D. All of these. People wish for a better and happier life. Question number 14 is, which animal represents the new year in the Chinese calendar? The options are A. One animal, B. 12 animals, C. No animals, D. Only dragon. The correct answer is B. 12 animals. The Chinese zodiac has 12 animals. Question number 15 is, what do people often watch on New Year's Eve? The options are A. Cartoons, B. Fireworks, C. Sports, D. News. The correct answer is B. Fireworks. Fireworks mark celebration at midnight on the New Year's Eve. Question number 16 is, what does a calendar help us know? The options are A. Time, B. Dates, C. Months, D. Dates and months. The correct answer is D. Dates and months. Calendar help organize the days and months. Question number 17 is, how many months are there in a year? The options are A. 10, B. 11, C. 12, D. 13. The correct answer is C. 12. A year is divided into 12 months from January to December. Question number 18 is, which of these is a good New Year resolution? The options are A. Be kind to others, B. Fight more, C. Waste time, D. Be lazy. The correct answer is A. Be kind to others. Being kind to others is always a good habit. Question number 19 is, which season starts in January in India? The options are A. Summer, B. Winter, C. Rainy, D. Autumn. The correct answer is B. Winter. January is a part of winter season in India. Question number 20 is, what do people usually promise to do more? The options are A. Eat junk food, B. Sleep less. C. Be healthy. D. Play games. The correct answer is C. Be healthy. Many people make resolutions to stay healthy and fit in the new year. Good job, guys. How many questions did you get right? Comment your score below. Like, share and subscribe to Knowledge Mastermind for more fun quizzes and learning videos. Happy New Year to everyone.